guys, so today I'm going to show you the things that I've got from the recent The Boys Cup Sleeve event that I attended. So yun kasi guys, pag mga Cup Sleeve event, expected na marami talaga may iuuwi, parang nag-grocery ganon. So ayun, super excited na ako to share everything that I've got. So yeah, let's get started. No balls. So the theme of the cup sleeve event is more on like a sunshine. The cup sleeve event is actually called the Sunshine Club. So it's a celebration for Sunwoo for New and Jacob's birthday. The organizers decided to organize, of course, the cup sleeve event. So yun, blue and yellow yung theme ng cup sleeve event. I'm going to show you guys the inclusions of the kits. So of course, the banners, hindi yan mawawala. So, each members have their banners. So, yan. So, this is Sunwoo's banner. Yan. Oops. This is for New. Yan. And this is for Jacob. So, the back prints look, these are the, like, the cartoonized, versions of, their faces, ganon. So, yun, eto, banners. The participants received, 3 banners. So, yan. Super cute nung banners. Yan. And then, eto, meron ding, parang postcard. Yan. Super cute talaga nung theme kasi blue and yellow. And we also got, 2 photo strips. So, namili lang. Eto, si Sunwoo at si Jacob. And then, meron ding ito, calendar. So, pinili ko yung kay Jacob. Yan. Pinapili lang din kami ng isa pero they have different design. So, ito guys, yung pinaka-cup sleeve namin. I mean, can sleeve. Nilagay na siya dito sa can. So, this is where we put our drink because we are required to, of course, order food and drink from 19 degrees. So, 19 degrees is the venue for this cup sleeve event. So, it was in the MOA branch. So, ito, paikutin ko na lang. So, ito yung can sleeve. Nilagay na siya dito sa can kung saan kami uminom, of course, and kung saan nilagay yung drink namin. So, in my previous vlog, as you can see, I ordered the strawberry yogurt. So, yun. Ayan, dinikit na yung can sleeve dito sa can. And for the other inclusions, nandito siya sa maliit na box. So, super creative nung box. Yan, dito nilagay yung ibang inclusions. Para talaga siya yung sa, what we call this, parang Pop Mart ba yun? So, dito naman, ang nakalagay is yung mga photo cards, yung mga keychain, ganyan. I mean, keyring, ganon. So, ito, may laman siya sa loob. So, ang inclusions nito, oh my god, parang sumiksik yun. Merong keyring yan. So, I got Jacob's version. Yan, super cute ng artwork, no? Napaka-creative talaga ng mga nagde-decorate ng inclusions. I have two button pins. Yan. So, I got New and Jacob's button pins. Tapos, merong random photo cards. So, I got Jacob. So, 3 photo cards sa isang box. Yan. So, si Jacob to. Lahat. Yan. Parang siyang BF dito. BF vibes. Yan. Then, pinapili din pala kami guys ng isa pang button. So, hindi pala siya kasali dun sa box. Nilagay ko lang doon. Pero, this is also freebie dun nung organizer. So, eto, cute kasi si Jacob. So, pinili ko yan. Merong stickers dito, guys. I also got Jacob stickers. Yan. So, let me show you the designs of the stickers. Yan. Ang ganda din ng designs, of course. Very connected dun sa theme, of course. Yan. And then, ito. Yan. So, ayun guys, yung laman nung inclusions, nung laman nung mismong box, nung sa inclusions na binayaran namin. So, meron pala dito guys, parang special keyring sila. So, merong mga nakakuha ng mga special na keyring. So, iba yung itsura nung keyring. So, para ito yung normal. Tapos, ito yung parang mga special designs yon. So, merong ibang fans na nakakuha ng ganon. And maganda yung design. So, yung participants, guys, nakakuha din ng, pinakuha rin sila ng isang parang ito envelope. So, may lamang photo cards. And then, these are what I got. So, ito, meron ako nitong photo card na to. So, dupe ko na siya. And ito, sa Eric yung nakuha ko. So, thank you po ulit sa organizers for giving us photo cards. Tapos, ito naman guys, yung mga napatrade sa akin. So, ito, Hack PC. Yan. Thank you po sa nagpa-trade. And then, ito, kahapon, inalok lang ako ng isang participant kasi may dala siyang binder. So, ginetsum ko na to. Si Hack, yan. And then, ito, trade din to. Kasi favorite ko yung look ni Samyun dito. And then, ito, kahapon din, nakita ko lang doon sa binder ng isang participant. Like, pinakita niya sa akin. So, sabi ko, trade tayo. Yan. So, it's Siargao PC of Samyun. So, since they filmed lip gloss in Siargao last 2023. So, yan. Super pogi. And then ito, ang effort nung isang packaging, nung isang seller kasi ang ganda nung packaging. So, ayan. Thank you. Ang cute nung pinaka parang backbone. Backbone. Ito, Hangyon PC again. I love his red hair talaga. So, yan. I personally call this Gian Bernardino PC. So, Hangyon Gian Bernardino. Si Gian Bernardino ba yan? So, these are everything that I bought and traded. Yan. Thank you po. And ito na guys, last part, may mga nabigay din na freebies yung sarili niyang gawa. So, ito, Jacob Photo Strip. Yan, super cute. And then, ito nakabalot. This is a keyring also. I got Jacob's, ito yung deco. Yan. And then, yung likod, cutie, mukha siyang Titan, charot. And ito, may Lomo card ni Yonghon. So, pogi. Then, yeah, may parang mini gnome. Super happy ko na ang dami ko ulit nakuha. Kasi, it's, parang habit ko na yung umattend talaga ng cup sleeve event. So, yun guys, that's all for my mini haul again. So, thank you guys for watching my vlog. For more K-pop merch haul, for more cup sleeve event vlogs, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you so much guys. Bye-bye.
All the girls with pretty mouths, they always walk your way. They follow you in cars and bars and even on airplanes.